The error code F130 on an Electrolux oven indicates a TRICA issue, which can be caused by a defective main control board or a faulty main fan motor. To fix this issue, start by checking the fan motor. Shut down the oven, remove the power cord, and take out the back panel to access the motor. Use a multimeter to test the continuity in the fan, and if the feedback is positive, inspect the fan top for damage. If you notice turn marks on the main fan motor, it's necessary to replace it as soon as possible, which may require calling an oven repair expert. Another solution is to reset the oven. Unplug the power cord from the outlet or shut down its circuit breaker, and ensure other appliances in the home are turned off to avoid a voltage surge. For wired ovens, remove all wiring connections at the back. Wait 30 minutes, and then plug it back in, making sure all connections are firmly installed. Finally, reprogram the oven by long pressing the plus and minus buttons to restart it.